Ladies and gentlemen, to Diversity Management and Consulting Limited. My name is Bibian Ambutapu. I'm the CEO of DMC Limited. I'm a master trainer and an instructional designer. We welcome you here today to present to you one of our key projects, which is a component of one of our major programs. That is the empowerment of the girl child and the woman. This particular component is actually designed to address some of the needs of this category of persons that we have identified through a survey, which of course has confirmed the result of existing studies. What is it? That the girls, the women, are unable to attain their fullest potential when they are in search of their economic advancement or empowerment because of some biases, some challenges, stigmatization for one reason or another, some of it inherent in their very nature of being a woman. For example, if it comes to job, she will get pregnant. Sometimes, when it comes to studies, during her menstrual period, she's uncomfortable. And then looking for financing for businesses, do you have the right guarantees? The land is in the name of the husband. So we designed this project in order to accompany them, to coach them, to mentor them, to transform some of these biases, some of these threats into opportunities and thrive. So we organized them into 3 categories based on the different categories of issues that they may be facing. One of the categories was the young graduates who have just come out of school and don't know how to go about it to get employment. They already feel self-stigmatized, not having the right level of confidence, even to go out there and apply for jobs, and some of them for want of skills to develop appropriate documents that can enable them to apply and get jobs. So this category is the employability project. The second category is about how those of them who are carrying business ideas can go about to develop and structure these business ideas into businesses that can grow and flourish. This is the business idea carriers. And then the third category, the ones we call the Biz Girls, are the girls, brilliant, vibrant, dynamic, who have been able to set up businesses, and these businesses are struggling for several reasons, some challenges based on skills, some challenges based on the various form of biases, resulting sometimes in self-stigmatization. So we are going to present this program to you, component by component. The first component, employability. How did we go about it? These young girls were coached to be able to articulate their personal profiles, which they did, and then also compared their profile to the profile of the aspired jobs, and were able to identify the gaps. And they put in place action plans to close these gaps so as to improve their chances of applying for a job and being actually called for an interview. This process enabled them to build their self-confidence. And then to top it up, we organized mock interviews. After having coached them through interview tips, they actually appeared for the interviews, and at the end of the interviews, they were able also to evaluate and say whether, if they were the employer, they will be able to recruit them. And they also listened to feedback from the members of the panel. So at the end, they were able to testify that their confidence level has grown to the extent that they can actually go search for a job, which is something that they were not able to do before. They now know just job search links, so they can actually visit those links, look out for jobs and apply for them. The second category, the business ideas carriers. We coach them to be able to develop the 9 components of a business model canvas. They developed this, got to understand, and then they needed now tools to be able to implement one of the tools that they developed was the business plan. And from the business plan, they were able to extract the operational plan and then develop also the tactics to be able to implement, and then got their monitor and evaluation framework that will accompany the implementation of the operational plan. And because they had a good understanding now of how to reach out to potential customers, transform them into leads, and then customers actually, they were able to, some of them, design tools to reach out to potential customers and transform them into customers. The last category was the Bees girls. Very, very dynamic girls, beautiful in and out, but who had some amount of doubt about their self-worth. So the coaching brought out the best in these girls. They were able to diagnose their business situation using their business model canvas, which they did not even have at all. So having identified the issues and being able now to put in place a strategic operational plan and a strategic business development plan, they were able also to identify the activities. And because they had their schedule, implementation schedule in place, they had also the monitor and evaluation framework in place. They were able to go out and implement some of the first activities. And what were the results? There were two who came out. One of them was able to launch her consultancy that she has been struggling with for the last 3 years. The other one was able to implement the first activities, and she actually came to testify that it was the first time she had a full class size. She's into learning. Why? She revised the pricing structure and then developed her business into packages, bundles, according to the category of customers based on their ability to pay and the type of quality that they wanted. So just 1 month and we're able to have this type of results. We carried out a full-blown evaluation of the project, and based on lesson learned, we are about to scale it up. But then we are having some questions. They are looking at me, the young men. Some of them ask, what about us? We too have the same problems. What is there for us? So we are also working on another program for youth economic empowerment in general that we are going to put in place for all of you. And so we invite you to visit our website, which is very rich in content, so you can find more details for these programs, these projects, and get involved, as well as many others that we have for you. Thank you very much.